Every time you start a discussion about how to do something different, better, grow your business, have a better life, whatever it is, mindset is always a part of that. And the one thing I've learned over time that I see in the most successful people is one word, and that's called ownership. Owning the results that are happening around you. People like to look outside and blame the world of what's going on and what's causing their problems. It's interest rates are too high, it's the market's a mess, whatever it is. A lot of outside forces that cause the results, they think. But once you take ownership of your responsibility, hold yourself accountable to the things that you have to do to create the success in the life you want, whatever it is, whether it's more happiness, losing weight, making money, being successful, wherever you want to go. Think about ownership. Do you really own the responsibility that you have or move in the direction you want to? Once you take ownership that you have full control, whether you're controlling it with your mind or your actions, that's when you'll start to move forward. So think about that word ownership. What does that mean to you? Good luck in the process.